Isa lang na shoot. May 5 minutes hanggang third, ay hanggang second quarter lang.
Kanino bola? SUHB ball. Twenty seconds to shoot. Pass to 14. Dribble by number 10. Pass to number 2. Binababa. Sumidiskate. Number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 5, taking 3. Bang! 3 points by number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Good ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Good ball. Ribbon by. Pass to. 27. Layup. Wala. Ribbon by. Chakli. Wala ulit. Ribbon by. Chakli ulit. Wala ulit. Ribbon by. Magtay. Pass to number 9, taking 2 points by Jeru. Number Becerra, all 3. 15 seconds to shoot, intercepted by Lex. 2 points by Lex. Oli. 5-3. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 0. Pass to anong tawag? Line ball. Pass to Magday. Dumidiskate. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 2. Pass to number 1. Out of bounds. Chakli Kama, binababa ang bola. Number 1, pass to intercepted by Chakli Kama. Chakli, number 28, side foul. Who's foul rep? Number 2. First personal foul by number 2. First team foul. Wala, ang unang buslo. Pangalawang buslo. Pasok ang pangalawang buslo. Taking 3. Wala, may ball by. Number 10. Hindi reverse pa. Wala, may ball ka ulit. Foul by. Who's foul left? Number 10.
Salamat, boss. Boss.
Number 9. Tumagtay, taking 3. Wala, reward by. Reward by. Number 2. Pinababa, pass to number 2 points by. Number 1. Number 97, tumidiskarte. Intercepted. Still by number 10. Still by Magday. To Jeru. Layup. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 10. Foul by Lex Olive. First personal foul. First team foul. Pasok ang unang tira. Pangalawang tira, pasok ulit. Lex, pass to number 27. Pass to Lex. Traveling violation by Lex Olive. Standby for change 5. Pass to Chakli. Easy 2 points by Chakli Kama. Standby for Standby for Grace ball. Pass to Lex. Lex. Pass to Magday. Taking 2 points. Wala. Rebound by Jeru. 2 points by Jeru. Change 5.
11-7.
Pass to number 18. Number 13, pass to number 23. To number 18 again. 15 seconds to shoot. 23 taking 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Pass to Mikey. Mikey, pass to Idol. Binali-bali pa. 2 points by. 2 points by number 29. 28 pala, taking 3. 3 points by Sistimador, number 18. Pass to Mikey. Dumidiskarte. Wala. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. Blocking foul by Sir Levy. Second team foul by Team Gray. Number 18, taking 3 points. Wala, rebound by. Foul, counted. Third team foul. First personal foul by Mikey Nepomuceno.
Bola muna.
Wala, rebound ni Sibilia ulit, taking 3. Wala, rebound by number 10. Wala ulit, rebound by number 28. Dumidiskarte. Behind the back. 15 seconds to shoot. Levy taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Out of bounds. Sistimador ball. Number 18, pass to number 23, taking 3. 3 points by Islam. 21. Pass to Levy, pass to 28, pass to Sir Levy, taking 3 again. Wala. Rebound by number 23. To number 23 again. Wala ulit. 2 points. Timeout. Timeout by Team SUHB. Gray Kings.
Ayaw nga eh.
17-13.
17-13.
Wait lang, sir. Yan. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 28. Pass to Sir Robbie. Intercepted by number 23. Binababa. Pass to number 18. 2 points by number 18. 19-13 in favor of Team Sistemador. Last 2 minutes for first quarter. Floater. Given by number 13. Pass to number 23. Number 23 taking 3. Wala. Given by number 21. Behind the back. Ang galing doon. Side step. Reverse. 2 points by number 21. Score 19-15. 15 seconds to shoot. Islau taking 3. Wala. Given by number 18 taking 3 again. Given by number 28. Number 28, pinababa. Pass to number 21. Do we discard it? Pass to Sir Robbie. Given by number 23. Time remaining, 1 minute for first quarter. Rebound by Sir Levy. Number 28. Taking 3 by number 21. 3 points by number 21. 1 point lead by Sistemador. Good ball. Oh. Who's ball left? Second personal foul by Mikey Nepomuceno.
Running time.
Whining for penalty. 1 point. Number 18. Pangalawang buslo, pasok ulit. Number 21 to be discounted. Ano nga to? Traveling. Running time po. Grabe. 10 seconds remaining.
Wala kayo dyan!
To number 23, 5 seconds. Foul. Penalty.
Running time yan.
Wala ang unang buslo. Pasok ang pangalawang buslo.
Wala na, pare!
End of the first quarter. 22-18 in favor of Team Sistemador. To be discounted, pass to number 5, 2 points by number 5. Number 6, binababa. 20 seconds to shoot. Wala, label by. Number 0, pass to number 1. Number 1, 2 points by number 1. Pass to number 6. 20 seconds to shoot. Intercepted again, number 18. Mag-isa. Tinira. Pasok by number 18. 20 seconds to shoot. Jello, dumidiskarte. Wala, may by number 0 again. Pass 2, pass 2, pass 2. Side step. Ribbon by. Ribbon by. Out of bounds. Same ball. Last touch. By in SUHB Gray Kings.
Wala. Balit.
Banyares.
Ayaw.
Pass to number 6. Pass to number 4. To boys by number 4.
Ayaw nga eh. Score na.
5, taking 3. 3 boys by number 5.
Balit.
Warning for number 6 and number 0. Palit bola. 26 ba?
26-20.
4, taking 3. Wala.
Ano yung sir? Warning ba yun? Warning lang. Okay, baka may issue lang.
Warning for number 0 and number 6. Taking 3. Wala. Out of bounds. SUHB ball. 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Binababa. Foul. Who's foul there? Number 18. First team foul by number 18. Bola. Bola again. 2 points. 22-27. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 5. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. 15 seconds traveling by my friend traveling by Jello. Sir Jello. Pass to Idol, taking 3, ribbon by. Pass to Jello. 2 points by Jello. Twenty-four, 29. Number 18. Dumidiskarte. Out of bounds. Same ball. To number 5. Out of bounds again. 14 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Traveling violation.
Pwesto.
5 minutes and 31 seconds. Out of bounds. Same ball. Intercepted by number 23. Floater. Stand up. 3 points. Change pile.
So, tama to.
32-24 in favor of Team Sistemador. Pass to Chockley. Side step. 2 points by Chockley Kama. Foul counted yun, idol. Ang galing nun. Mamayti ka na namin, stop. Oh, yun lang. Good ball. Usap muna, usap. Layo sa referee. Layo sa referee muna mga sir. Layo muna. Layo sa referee. Same ball. Magday. Spin move. Ang galing nun. 2 points by Magday. 28-32. Pass to number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 5 again. Traveling violation by number 5. Pass to Magday. Pinababa ang little ball. Pass to Chockley, taking 3. Wala, libon by Mikey. 2 points by Mikey Nepo, baby. 2-point lead by Sistemador. Time remaining. 4 minutes exacto. Intercepted by number 23. Delay up ng ganun lang. 2 points. Time out. Time out. Team Sistemador. Dead ball. All 32. Sorry na, baby Chuck.
Boski, lagay mo dyan.
Shoutout naman tayo dyan kay George Howard, Lardy Zabal, ang pinakagwapo na buong Gitambayan sa bahay nila.
Josh, lagi, paliyan.
Shoutout kay Chiching, may tinakbuhang Eaba. Back to the ball game. Sistemador ball. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to number 2. Dumidiskate. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3 by number 23. 3-1 by Lex Oli. Dumidiskate. Pass to number 21. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Idol. By number 23. Binababa. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by. Who's what? Team Gray. SUHB ball. 27. Binababa. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mikey. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 33. Number 10. Dumidiskate. Out of bounds. Gray ball. 2 minutes and. Salamat sa iyo, boss. Shorts ng Lardy Zabal family. Number 27. Kuya Chockley. Pass to Lex Olive. Fade away shot. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Divinity ball. Pinababa. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sistemador ball. Same ball. Fourteen seconds to shoot na lang po. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. SUHB ball. Last 2 minutes. Back. Number 27. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Lex. Traveling by Lex all. Continue yung bola. Number 2. Dinidiscartean pa rin. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to number 2. Ano ba yan? Rebound by Chuck Ligama. Oh, Lex Oli. Pass to Magday. 2 points by Magday. Change favor. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Pass to number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul by Mikey Nepomuceno. Second team foul. Third personal foul by Mikey Nepo Baby. Unang puslo, pasok by number 2. Pangalawang puslo, pasok ulit by number 2. Mikey, pass to Ivan. Ivan, tumidiscarte. Floater, wala pa rin. Rebound by. Kanya pa, number 23. Pass to number 2. 2 points by number 2. Pass to 36-34. 21 seconds. Number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala, rebound by. Rebound by. Wala pa rin. Same ball. Shot clock off. 22 seconds remaining. 2 points by Lex Oli. 20 seconds remaining. Number 10, 2 points. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points by Ivan Magday. End of the second quarter. 38-14 in favor of Team SUHB. Great kicks. Shoutout sa nagkakamera ng live. Dating tomboy, ngayon tambay. Aray ko. Let's go! Both teams, yung mga balances po natin, baka pwede pong pakisettle na po bago second. After the game. Sorry, Boss B, nagagalit ka na naman. Mga ma'am and sir, nagkamali lang po na scoring ng ating mga butihing committee. May record po, ang score talaga, 40-36 in favor of Team Sistemador. Pasensya na po. Si Boss Bigasen.
Boss, wala mga daya to, boss. May record kami.
Alam na. Back to the ball game na po ba tayo mga sir?
Wala
Mensa, pare ah.
Intercepted. Aga ulit yung number 6. Bola. 2 points by number 28. Score, 40-38. 2-point lead by Team Sistemador. 23. Wala, rebound by number 10. 23, taking 3. Wala, rebound by number 6. Binababa. Two points by Jeru. All 40. Number 1. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 18, taking 3. Bang! 3 points by number 18. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Bang! 3 points by number 4. Number 1, pass to number 0, taking 3. Wala! Rebound Nino. Rebound ni number 16. Pass to number Jeru. Pass to 97. Ang gandang ikot. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 23. 2 points by number 23. 2-point lead by Team Sistemador. Jeru taking 3 points. Wala, rebound Nino. Taking 2 points. Bang! 2 points by number 23. 29 pala. 28, sorry. Same ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 28 seconds. 40 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 18. Number 10 pala. Jeru, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Waiting for substitution, reps. 2 points. All 15 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Magdaya in. All it in. Number 97 out. Sino ba isa? Number 4 out. Number 1. Pass to number 18. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound Nino. Rebound D. Jeru. Intercepted. Ata. 2 points by Jeru. Who's foul left? 06. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep. Stand by for substitution. Pasok. Substitution. 23 in, number 1 out. Number 9. Pass to Magdan. Wala. Rebound Nino. Rebound ni Magdan again. Rebound ni. 2 points by Lex Oli. 51-48.
Tama, score ko.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's foul left? 28. 13 foul. First personal foul. Second pa lang. Wait lang. Foul again by number 6. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul by number 6. Warning for penalty.
Sub po, sub.
Substitution left after.
Pag na-shoot, Mikey.
Sub left. Mikey in, 21 in. Idol out, number 6 out. Good ball. 49-51 po. Jero, pass to Oy. Rebound ni Mikey. Bola. 2 points by Ivan Magday. 53-49. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Wala, rebound ni Magday.
Pass!
2 points by Jero Neto. 55-49. Rebound by Oh! Time out.
Third time out.
Time out. Time out.
Dalawang tayo, take tayo. Natikin tayo. 10 seconds lang.
Back to the ball game. Good ball.
Ikaw ka nasunod! Dali nyo na sa gilid! Dali nyo na sa gilid pare!
Number 13. Who's foul left? Pushing foul behind. Penalty. Warning for graduate. Substitution. Chuckley out, Chuckley in, Mikey out. Mikey, warning for graduation. 1 point, unang buslo, pasok agad by number 13. Pangalawang buslo, rebound to Lex. Jello, taking 3. Pasa mga ay Chuckley, 2 points by Chuckley Kama. Taking 3. Wala, rebound by number 13. (57-50). 3 minutes and 49 intercepted. Number 18. 2 points by number 18. Left side, pagkata ng dead ball. Magday. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Magday. Intercepted by Chuckley Kama. Magday.
Quarter, sir, dalawa.
15 seconds to shoot. Rebound din, oh. Rebound ni Lex. 2 points by Lex Olive. Intercepted. Intercepted again. Number 5. 23. 2 points by number 23. Chuck Lee, binababa. Pass to number 21. Pass to Magday. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Rebound by Idol ng Sistemador. Number 5. Wala. Rebound by Jero. Pass to Magday. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 23. 2 points.
Ayaw.
28. Taking 3. Rebound by number 5. 23. Kinabila pa. Let's all in. Pass to number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Magday. 10 seconds to shoot. Who's foul left? Timeout by Sistemador.
Power back.
Number 23. First personal foul. Penalty.
Ay, di ba?
Hindi, walang penalty, wala. Sa kabila pala yung penalty. Isa pa lang, isa. Chuck Lee. Pass to Jeru. Pass to Magday. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Chuck Lee. Come on. Rebound by Clavini. Running time po tayo, sir. Foul.
Running time yan. Running time tayo. Fourth.
Fourth po, fourth. Fourth po tayo, hindi running time.
Free throw ang hindi free throw.
Number 21,
Free throw
pushing
sa
foul.
free throw.
Sir. Unang buslo, Sablay. Sablay ulit, rebound by Lex. Pass to number 21. 20 seconds remaining. Foul! Act-up shooting po ba, sir? Who's foul left? Number 10. Second team foul. First personal foul. Unang buslo sa Blarks. Tablerks ulit. Who's foul left? Number 27. Penalty. 57-63. First personal foul. Unang buslo sa Blarks. Pangalawang buslo. Pasok ang pangalawang buslo. 10 seconds remaining. 2 points. End of the third quarter. 57-65 in favor of Team Swiss Unity Hope Ballers Breakings. Mga sir, last 5 minutes ng fourth quarter po is stop time na po tayo. Hindi na po siya running time. Klaro mga sir? Pag hindi, sorry. Shout out, Jel Tumanot, ang dating That's My Tomboy. Tama po, tama ang score, tama. All goods. Start of the fourth quarter. Dito na po malalaman kung sinong uuwing nakangiti at hindi. Let's go!
Ano nga, isang laro lang. Ano yung kaninang muna laro?
Number 1. Pass to number 18, taking 3. 3-1 by. Out of bounds. Swish ball. Pass to Jero. Back to Chakli. Chakli binababa. Pass to number 6. Wala, 3-1 by. Out of bounds. Systemador ball. Let's go! 9 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ano po mo, chinelas mo?
10 seconds to shoot.
Kaya yan, natangin nakatabi mo na yung
5 seconds. 2 points by number 18.
may hirap ka doon, sobrang takas. Sa likod.
Wow! 2 points by Chakli Kama. Pass to number 18, taking 3. Pound! 3 points by number 18. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Chakli. Wala, Libandino. Libandino, number 18. Intercepted back. Out of bounds. Last touch by Swish. Systemador. Taking 3. Pound. 3 points by number 23. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Jelu. Sir Jelu. 8 minutes remaining. 65-69. Fade away shot. Libandino, number 10. 2 points by number 10. Pass to Sir Chakli.
Sab.
Okay, sir.
Substitution. Sub po, sir, sub.
Rep, ayaw mo ba, sir? Sub.
Sub. Okay na. Magday. Wala. Same ball daw ang hatol. Same ball ang hatol ng ating mga patupad na parang tupad. Joke lang, sir. Jero, side step, Richie the Horsey. Seven, 69. Reserve stop, dead ball stop. Pass to number 97. Foul by number 97. Substitution. Jero in the outside. 21 in, Jero out. First team foul. Wala. 1 point, unang buslo.
Tama sa akin, boss. Hindi ko po magiging pa yung Hindi ko po magiging
20 seconds to shoot. Intercept the Tiger. Pushing foul. Timeout. Timeout. Team Sistemador. Who's foul left? Who's foul left? One? Number 1 foul. Back to the ball game. Magday. Twenty seconds to shoot. Chockley, pass to number 6. Wala, rebound by number 18. Three-point lead by Team Swiss Unity. Ang ganda naman, 2 points. 1-point lead by Team Swiss Unity. Who's foul ref? Substitution. Number 28 in. Number 6 out. Number 97. Second personal foul. First team foul. Unang buslo, Sablay. Sablay ulit. Dead ball. Reserve for substitution. 23. Pushing foul. Substitution. Banyares in. Kama out. Second team foul. Third personal foul. Foul ulit. Counted. Number 28, warning for Gladwin. Time out! Time out! Swiss Unity Hoop Ballers. Official score, 72-70 in favor of Team Sistemador. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Mga malapit ang gumraduate, Mikey and number 28. Good. Out of bounds. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Labeling violation by Chocolate Cam.
Okay na ako ba?
15 seconds to shoot.
Okay lang maliit ba yung angkin?
10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Swiss Unity. Technical by number 18.
Kaya lang, bakit kasi? Bakit wala namang ginawa eh? Ano, sir? On the face of the complete the progress of the
Kanina ba yan eh?
Bros, technical, what? Fine yan.
Wala naman akong ginawa eh. Dumaan lang naman ako eh. Sabi ko wala naman eh. Kasi nagsawa ko ako doon. Sabi siya magtitignan sa akin. Kapag mo na sa akin.
magkakampi kami.
Eh, umaga wala naman kasi ako.
Pero, siyempre, wala kami.
Bossy!
Ref, technical break ko yan.
1 point. Number 28. Agay. Wow, side step, 2 points. 23-22, 1 point lead. Foul counted. Number
Ref, subs. Mamaya. Standby. Pag-shoot.
97. Third personal foul. Standby by substitution. Warning for penalty. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Wala. Libandino, Limanday. Number 1, pushing foul.
Pag-shoot.
Second team foul. Reserve for substitution. Wala. Ang unang tuslo. Bench ng Sistemador. Warning for technical for distracting the shooter. Substitution. Deadlock, all four. Taking three. Rebound by. Taking three again. Rebound by. Jeru. Pass to Magday. Out of bounds. Same ball. Score. All 74 in favor of Team Committee. Ma'am Emma, 2 minutes na lang po and 45 seconds. Number 10. Good! Rebound team, Mikey. Pass to Chakli. Pass to Jeru. Intercepted by number 23. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Mikey. Pass to Magday. Who's foul ref? 18. Foul number 18. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 7 personal foul. Dead ball po pag time out. Dead ball po, sir. Time out, ha? Taking 3. Wala. Bang! Time out! Time out! Pamema, 1 minute and 55 na lang po. Asensya na. Thank you. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 10. Rebound siya ulit. Foul! Who's foul left? Number 27. Foul. Penalty.
Third pa lang, third sa ano, third team ball pa lang sa switch. Penalty sila.
Personal call si Magday.
Unang buslo, sablay. Magday. Second personal foul. Rebound by Chakli Kama. Foul. Rep, substitution rep.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Sinong lalabas? Cancel. Cancel ang parcel. 1 point. Unang buslo, pasok by Chakli Kama. Pangalawang buslo, pasok ulit. Two points by number 23. Pass to Jeru. Pass to Magday. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Penalty. Who's foul left? Number 13. Both team, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. Unang buslo, Pasok na pasok. Parang walang pasok. Substitution. Magday. 15 seconds to shoot. 52 seconds. Time! 3 points by number 18. Timeout by Swiss Unity Hoopballers. Gray Kings. Ang score, all 79.
Lamang tayo, dalawa dito.
Okay lang, sakto lang.
Okay, tatlo. Tatlo.
79 kanina, nakapress. Nakadalawa na sila. Dalawa sa pala. Oo, dalawa sa port. Ito wala na ito. Hindi, may isa pa. Sige, isa. First pick, open shot lang. 14. Ayan,
Wait lang sir, ay mapindot. Yan. Seconds to shoot. Intercepted. 35 seconds remaining. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 3-1 by. Out of bounds. Shot clock off. Timeout. Swiss Unity Hoopballers. Swish. Wala na po kayong timeout mga sir. For Sistemador, 1 timeout pa po kayo. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 22.3 seconds. Time out. Wait lang sir, wait lang. Kalma lang.
Wala nila. Sir, gagawa tayo. Hindi mo assistant. Tanggalin mo, sa ating mapapagod mo na.
Time out sir. Time out.
Ipasok ng port sa kanila magpasok ng port. Sa kanila magpasok ng port. Depensa kami port quarter eh. Oo, boss. Depensa kami. Kanila port quarter eh, kanina eh. Kaya nga na-imbon eh. Medyo! Ila po ah. Okay, mamaya. Sir, wait lang. So, pagkabigay yun ng ball. Wala na tayong jumbo yun. Maliban na tamang talaga. Doon nag-review.
Okay,
Kaya, malinaw tayo.
Ball natin.
Kasi patawag muna natin yung captain ball para malinaw. Ikaw na, sir.
Low. Captain ball ng System Mother. And chocolate.
Ay, gano'n. Sir, nung pot ko, kung nagbigay kasi ng ball. Mas muna yung binigyan namin. So ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng jumble, anak na rin. So, kung nangyari yan, kita tayo sa tumas. Sir, opo, nakikita ko yung boy. Hindi, may araw dito, may possession.
Kaya sila po, talo po talaga. Great. Kasi yun ang natin pangalawang possession ng champion. Kayo kasi ang binigay sa inyo ng fourth quarter. Kayo ang bali ang ano yan.
Sir, ako nagbigay.
Kaya si Rep po. Ano po yun? Wala po yun sa amin. Yung mas important po yung binigay, doon po tayo nag-base. Hindi po sa first quarter.
Malinaw naman.
Hindi kahit ganun.
Hindi, pero wala silang possession araw.
Ayun, hindi
Ano po?
Tama lang.
Nag-usap po.
Nagka-jumble ba nung...
Ano po, ulitin ko po, first hanggang fourth quarter. Kung anong quarter po yung nag-jumble, halimbawa po, fourth, binigay po sa inyo. Kayo po naging doon, una, first possession na po kayo doon, nasa inyo na kayo araw. While sa second jumble, ang mapupunta sa kabila na po. Ganun po tayo. Kada quarter po. Kada
Pero
quarter.
humingi kami na. Sa malinaw namin, bago namin kayo yung
Paano nangyari?
Hindi, wala kasi. Hindi, wala.
Swish Unity Hoop Ballers Ball.
Fourth quarter, tapos, yun lang yung pangalawang jumble natin. Kumbaga,
Excuse me, sir.
fourth quarter.
Yes, sir, para dun tayo mas fair po. Pagka may question po, paki-question na lang sa may captain ball niyo po para hindi po. Substitution. Next. In. Mikey out. Wala na. Wala na yung time out. Yun na po. 16 seconds remaining. Two points by Lex Oli. Time out. Then meron pa, sir. May last na sila. 3. Kulang, sir, 3. No. Penalty both teams. Then, itong oras, 3 seconds pa po yan. 3 seconds. Dedelay ko ng 1 second dyan. Dedelay ko. 3 lang po. 3 lang po. Ay, sobra pala. 3 seconds na po, 3 seconds. Guys, wait na po. Rep. Gray Kings. Yung 1 oras, 3 seconds yan. Kung baka pag-inbound dyan, didelay pa namin. I-delay pa namin pag-handle. Pag-handle nila, pag-dribble, tsaka i-start, okay? Okay. Good. Klaro. Let's go! Official score 79-81 in favor of Team Swish. Good game, bros. Wait lang po para sa standings. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Ma'am Emma for letting us use this court. And to our officials, maraming salamat.